Good students, today we will study about representations of rational numbers on the number line. By which method we represent rational numbers on number line. In this case, before first integers show on the number line, because all integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers. Okay? Here rational number show on the number line. Okay? Here 0. Right side, left side. Okay, left side and right side. Here write numbers in right side as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Positive case. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And here write in left side as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write minus. Okay. Here these are integers show on the number line by this method. Right sides all numbers are found in positive case, but in left sides write all numbers are in negative case. Okay. Here integers write in rational numbers form as P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Okay? Rational form. Here write 0 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, 4 by 1, and also write here 2 by 1, 1 by 1, 3 by 1. Can write in rational form P by Q, Q not equal to 0. Okay? You know, before it's I have taught you about integers and rational numbers difference. All integers are write in P by Q form. All integers are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not integers. Okay? Here as 1 by 2 rational number, but its result is in decimal form 0.5. Therefore, it is not an integer. Okay. Thus, all rational numbers are not integer, but all integers are right in rational form. Okay, student. After this, rational number write in rational numbers write in after this rational numbers on number line as show -5/3 and 4/5 on number line. Okay, here write draw line, right here 0. Okay, so -5/3 and 4/5 on number line. Here we can write here 0/5. We can write here 0/5 and here 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Okay, student. In this form we can write here -1/5, so -5/3, 5/5, 7/5. So -7/5 and 4/5 on the number line. So it's here 1/5, right here 2/5, -3/5, -4/5, -5/5. 5/5 we can write here -5/5 equal to -1. Okay, can write -1 and here -6/5 -7/5. Here show 4/5, right A, and here so -7/5 left side can write B, or you can write also P and Q. Okay, thus we show these types of rational number on the number of line. When in this case denominator are same, then very easy to draw to show the rational number on the number line. But this when denominator are different, as show -4/5 and 3/, or you can write here 3/7 on the number line. In this case we can take LCM of both to make same denominator. If not do so, then you can show it's a separate line. Here if you can, it's a separate line as here 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write here minus 1 by 5 minus 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5. Okay, and here this show on number line here 0 as 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7 as thus we show separate line of both when denominator are different. If denominator are same, then we can write on a one line. Okay, students, and here so it's right here Q. Thus minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 7 so on different lines. If do not do so, second rule here 7 5 if I want to show on the one line, in this case we make same denominator to take LCM. Here as 7 5 ja 35 LCM, then its value is minus 24 and here 7 5 ja 35 15. Okay, in this case write here 24 upon 35 15 upon 35. Okay, student, in this case denominator are same, then we can show on the number line. Okay, student, we can show on the number line as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 15. Here write 15 by 35 and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Here 24 upon 35 and here so 15 upon 35 and here so Q minus 24 upon 35. Show on the number line by this method. Okay, student, and here 0. Here this value is, we can write here 1 by 35, 2 by 35, 3 by 35, minus 4 by 35 and so on, minus 24 upon 35, and here 1 by 50, 1 by 35, 2 by 35, 3 by 35 up to dot dot 15 by 35 can write in this form. Okay, then these types of rational numbers you can show on this separate line, or you want to show on one number line, then you make the same denominator of both taking of LCM. Okay, student, after this I will give you some example on this basis. Okay, student, here after this I give you some homework on the basis of rational numbers on the number line. Here show 1 by 3 and minus 3 by 4 on a number line, and second show 4 and 2 by 3 on the number line. Okay, student. -2 and 5/6 on the number line. -2/6 you also convert here. 4 and 2/3 also convert as 4 and 2/3. 3 4 are 12. 12 to 14. 14/3. You can show by this rule. Okay, student. And here 6 2s are 12. 12 5. 17/6 minus 17/6 minus here -2 and 5/6 minus 17/6 can write. Okay, student. After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.